So over the last few years, Briljent's become pretty talented at helping call centers optimize their work. And really, we do that behind the scenes. And part of that is because of the great work that the three of you do. So I'm thrilled that you're here today. Hopefully, with this video, we can share some of our experiences with our partners and our potential clients about really what to consider when they're trying to optimize their call center. So Mike, can you discuss a few of the key business drivers that really drive technology for call centers?
Sure. I think as you set up a call center, technology decisions are critical to this eventual success of any call center. Decisions like, will the technology be hosted on-site or remotely? Will the delivery model be a centralized versus a decentralized model? Is call scripting required? Call metrics that are associated from a service level perspective. All these business drivers are critical to the success of technology architecture and service delivery.
You know, with the variety of different solutions that are available, what should call centers be looking for in quality monitoring tools?
I think the most important aspect is really having a clear understanding of what the organization's mission is. Understanding those needs, there's definitely a lot of technologies that have evolved over the recent years to help target call monitoring efforts and call reviews. Things like speech analytics, 100% call recording, desktop analytics can all help provide a nice target for the quality monitoring reviews.
What quality metrics should call centers be paying attention to?
So the biggest trend in the last several years has been focusing on customer effort and the shift to that. This has actually been proven to be a better indicator and predictor of consumer behavior than things like customer satisfaction surveys and even Net Promoter Score. So measuring customer effort and, more importantly, finding ways to reduce customer effort can directly impact the bottom line.
Mike, what are a few suggestions for streamlining call center operations when it comes to technology?
But one thing that I think that we've seen over the last several years is really trying to promote self-service opportunities for clients, allowing them to get data quickly to answer their questions without having the calls come into the call center. It's really a win-win situation when that happens.
Lisa, talk to you about training, reducing costs, and improving customer satisfaction.
Training has to demonstrate a return on investment. As we talked earlier about quality metrics and things like that, as well as culture, skill sets, that all comes out in the measurements. And I think when you look at those remeasurements, such as reduction in turnover, such as shorter call handling time, such as customer satisfaction scores skyrocketing, that is a result of training, adapting, and designing to the business goals. A quick example could be best practices in the industry is, for adult learners, you want hands-on, and a lot of times you might use something like problem-centered type of training. Well, that reduces your overall time in the classroom and also takes the skill sets, the diversity of everybody coming together and solving a problem, and there you have a transfer of learning and actually an explosion. It builds confidence, they're solving problems, and then they can go on and apply what they learned actually on the phone, talking to a client. Training is critical in all components, really.
We've heard the term solution neutral or vendor neutral. Can you tell me really what that means?
From a Briljent perspective, we're not really tied to a solution or a vendor solution. We look at it from a technology that's going to support the client's business requirements and that they all need to work together.
Clearly you guys are experts in helping support call center optimization, not only, and Briljent works in, federal, state, local, as well as commercial projects. So I'm thrilled you're able to spend some time with me today. Thank you very much.